Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be doing a twist out using the Depth Foam Mousse and the Aunt Jackie Don't Shrink. And the leave-in, I already put leave-in in my hair, and the leave-in that I have in my hair is the 14-in-1 Miracle Worker. You already know, like, that leave-in's been holding me down. I'm with it. I used to use, I don't remember. It was a pink bottle leave-in. I'm going to put it down somewhere here. I used to use that one. But now the 14-in-1, but I don't use that no more. I use the 14-in-1 Miracle Worker, and that, I like it. I love it. It goes well with everything that I've tried so far. So I'm going to see if it blends well with these two products. I've tried this before. Amazing. Now this, I have like not a good relationship with the Depth Foam Mousse. Because I feel like when I've used it in the past, it was so like drying and just crunchy and just hard. So I'm going to give it a chance. We're going to see. Hopefully paired with this, it won't be too bad. And with the leave-in, so my hair should be moisturized. And I'm probably going to only use one pump in each twist. I'm not going to try to do too much, you feel me? But I hope these twist outs turn out good. Okay. I feel like me and my hair have been on this journey. A lot has changed within the year. You know, I did my big chop, and now I have to relearn my hair. Like, relearning your hair is a real thing, guys. And that's the process I'm in right now. So me and my hair would be fighting. We'd be loving each other. We'd be fighting. So I never know when she's going to work with me right now, okay? We're trying to figure each other out. So hopefully the twist out comes out good. I'm praying because back when I didn't dye my hair, before I dyed my hair, every time I did a twist out or braid out, she would eat. So I'm hoping she eats today. Okay, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'm going to let y'all get into the video. Okay, I'm going to stop talking. Alright? And let's get into the video. Okay. Okay, so my hair is freshly washed. Just came out the shower. Okay, so the leave-in's already in my hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to, do sections. The twist size I'm going to do small to medium, because I watched this girl's YouTube video and I'll put her name down below. She used these two products, and the only difference of my video and her video is I use a different leave-in. She used a leave-in that I used to use, and now I'm using this leave-in. So we're gonna see. But I'm gonna put her name down in the bottom somewhere because I did get these products. Well, I had these products, but I got the idea to put these two together because of her. So she seemed like she did like small to medium sections. They weren't big twists, but her hair was just so healthy that it was just juicy size twist. So I'm gonna do like her. She didn't part. I think she did free part or whatever. How I usually do twist outs is, you see that section right there, and I'll keep them separated. But for her, she did free parting, so when she untwisted it, it wouldn't be like no defined parts. So that's what I'm going to do. And that's probably going to take me a little while because I'm not used to that. Having the whole back of my hair out and trying to, but we're going to figure it out. You feel me? What else? I think that's it. I'm going to use my tingle tweezer instead of my unbrush just because I feel like this would actually, like, get the products in there. My hair's already detangled, so that should be fine. Trying to think, what else do I need to say? I think that's it. I'm just gonna let you guys watch me do these. I'm gonna explain the first couple two face, so I don't have to do a voiceover because I'm trying to find a better way to edit quicker and faster. And I feel like if I just talk in my videos, then I won't have to do a voiceover. So we'll see. But I also hate talking. I like to jam. Oh, and guys, the music I'm gonna be listening to, which you guys can't hear, sad, is, you already know, her new album so far is Eating. Like, I just listened to it when I was washing my hair, and on her album, I'm on 17. I'm on Check Please. You feel me? Like, if y'all can see it. So your girl's almost done with the album, and so far the album is Eating. Cardi B is Eating, okay? So if you see me jamming, I'm listening to Cardi B's new album, okay? Go check it out, because that shit is fire, okay? No promotion, but go check it out, okay? Alright, so let me stop talking. You let y'all watch the video, okay? Okay, so I'm going to start by clipping these two sections away. And I'm just going to work with the back. All right, let's see how this is gonna go. On Jackie, don't shrink first, and then I'm gonna put the depth foam mousse second. Well, technically, I put my leave-in first, Auntie Annie's don't shrink second, and depth foam mousse third. You hear that? Follow it now. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna work with this section right here. Oh, I feel like it's a big piece. Let me break, actually. So I took some off. I'm gonna do this. I'm so nervous about this, guys, because my hair lately has just been doing its own little thing. So I'm gonna put this much of a section. I mean, of this, the don't shrink. And then she said just work it in. So I'm just gonna work it in. And then I'm just gonna, oh, look how it's already curly, can y'all say? All right, and then the depth foam mousse, 1 pump. There we go, 1 pump. Okay, we don't need too much. Gonna put that up. Ooh, gonna massage it in the hair. Really want to massage it. Take your time. Take your time. Take your time. Ooh, y'all see that? Okay. Now I'm just gonna detangle it because you want to make sure your hair is detangled. Okay. And then I'm gonna braid a little bit and then twist the rest. Okay. This is just so it could be flat, and then she just started twisting. Now hers was more juicy. I don't know, maybe, I think in the next, I'm gonna do these sides, and then I think the next row I'm gonna do it just a tiny bit bigger. Alright, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch it again. I'm gonna detangle the Aunt Jackie's. I'm gonna massage that in. I will say though, these two products feel so good together. It feels so nice.
I ain't got a clue, bro. I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 of my eyes. Yeah, in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind won't leave me. Try to get by, but I'm burning. I mean, my mind is right. All these thoughts have trouble me. Trying to give up my pain. Trying to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. And it's time to leave my life. And it tries to take me out. Tell me what I need. Right, yeah, I really need time. You're bad in my life, man. Go on with it, go on with it. Do us. So we are coming here with a force. Yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on foot. But we don't rise on boast. Yeah, we give thanks that we need it the most. We have to give thanks that we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all from the life, man. But thank God for the journey with us good plus. Yeah. Gratitude is a must. Yeah. Blessings all from our right hand. What's the toast for the friends that take love to the Lord? What time is sit down in a class on the board? Then all this in the road and it's one in the road. Word promise, I'm a tired thing. And you know it's found out to be a fire thing. Now I'm backstage.
Alright, so this is 2 days later. Alright, let me show you what the twist looks like. So this is it. They're all dry. And it's bouncy, okay? So I'm just gonna unravel it and then let's see I hope it looks good, guys. I hope. I feel like my hair's not as thick. I'm working on that. I want my hair to be thicker. I'm gonna work on that. But we'll see if it's fluffy or not. Cause right now it's looking really flat. But we'll see. All right.
And send me to tell them story. That's what that's in the me. And that's why I'm gonna give him a drop. Read from me to the height. You know, some of us are ignite. But the music me excited. I'm coming like a force. It's inside, I'm like one. But I'm not for the burning, that's too close. Okay, all of them done, they notice. I'm not joking. All my guys, them know me. Since '06, I've been writing the story. I know be OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, so you know you need me know me. Music shows me, just know this and know peace. I did low key, but I'm never low.
Okay, so this is how it is right now. It is flaking. Like, if I can show you guys, it's flaking. You see all this? I hope you guys can see that because it's flaking real bad. Like snowfall flaking, okay? So.
Now everybody go to breakfast. You go bow for the result, nothing to discuss. Cause I did by default, I'm without any